It is that time of the year again. There's a slight nip in the air. With it comes the warning of an impending episode of winter smog that takes hold of the national capital every year. But if you remember, Delhi had witnessed a surprising improvement in air quality last year. So can the 2023 winter season provide some relief? What happened in 2022 was that Delhi had recorded its lowest ever daily average values of PM10 and PM2.5 in winter. There was not only a fall in the number of days with severe AQI, but Delhi also recorded no severe plus day when AQI shoots up to 450. We woke up to clear skies after Diwali, which arrived early in October when the winter was yet to set in fully. 2022 was also an exceptional year in terms of weather. There was a rare triple dip La Nina that continued for 3 consecutive years. While we do not know what role it played, but we know that the surface wind speeds were slightly higher for most time of the year. The winter onset was also delayed last year and it was unusually warm until late December, which basically helped in the dispersion of pollutants. The impact of stubble burning on Delhi's air quality also remained negligible until November. So while the control measures may have worked, the weather conditions last year were quite favorable and prevented the air quality from worsening further, especially in northwest India. However, this year is different. Monsoon is withdrawing later than usual, almost 9 days later than its normal date of retreat. Now, its retreat is followed by the formation of an anticyclone, a weather system when the direction of the wind changes, and they now travel from the land back to the sea. The skies are mostly clear and winds become calmer, which slow down the dispersion of pollutants in the air. So, the retreat of monsoon is invariably linked to the drop in air quality in Delhi. According to Dr. Gufran Beg, who is the founder project director of India's air quality forecasting system SAFAR and is currently the chair professor at National Institute of Advanced Studies, Bangalore, he says that the monsoon is still withdrawing. So as long as the process continues until like 15th of October, the wind speeds will remain moderately high. So any noticeable change in the air quality is not likely to happen before the last week of October. Pollution levels in fact peak in November. Meanwhile, over 682 stubble burning incidents have already been reported in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh since the 15th of September. Punjab is still determined to bring the total number of burning incidents to half of what was recorded in 2022 by the end of the harvesting season. Another major worry is that Diwali is happening in mid-November, just when the air pollution levels are highest in Delhi. The incidence of stubble burning peak along with the burning of firecrackers during this festive season, and coupled with the fall in temperatures create a deadly mix of pollutants. So as far as the natural climatological conditions are concerned, they do not seem to be quite favorable for better air quality. But weather conditions can only improve or worsen the air quality. The actual source of pollution is the emissions. So the real outcome depends on how stringent these control measures are against vehicular pollution, firecrackers and stubble burning.